Yes, today is Wednesday, March the 5th. They're buttoning up this section of the wall so to get ready to pour tomorrow, Thursday. Yes, this is Thursday, March the 6th. They're planning on pouring approximately 120 yards in wall in their first pour. It's still Thursday, March the 6th. They've got about 70 yards in the wall, and everything looks good so far. This is Tuesday, March the 11th. They're getting ready to set forms for the next pour, tying the steel for the next section of the basement walls. Today is Thursday the 13th, 2014. They're planning on pouring this wall tomorrow morning at 10:30, which would be Friday the 14th. This wall they're buttoning it up right now and getting ready for the concrete to be installed. Today is Tuesday, the 18th of 2014. This is the picture of the walls standing from the inside of the basement. About 80% of the walls are done.